Hello guys, Lohit here. So today we are going to talk about how can we remove screen record and screenshot restrictions from any app manually without the help of any patch and app cloner. So let's get started. So I am choosing here Jazz and APK tool for anti-split and MT manager for DeX editing. Okay, so first of all I am going to show you that Judge has screenshot restrictions, and sorry for my bad English, I am not pro in this. So let's get started. So here, this is not a modded APK, so I am taking it for only for example. So here, 1 minute. So here we can see when I try to take screenshot, it give me an error. Okay, you can see here, could not save screenshot, and this is restricted from app. So we are going to remove this thing, or we can bypass this thing. Okay, so let's get started. I already anticipated this APK in MT manager, so you can do it by APK tool M. So let's get started on DeX editing. Okay, so first of all, the main thing which you can do, this is a normal, this will take not too much time to remove screenshot restrictions from any app. Here we need to search first of all 0x2000. Okay, and search type is here smally, so we can change it to integer to find it fast. Okay, here we done hex. Okay, so here we are going to search it. Okay, now here are result 216. So how can we remove this result in how can we filter this result? First of all, this, so the main thing, this is responsible for screen record or screen shot restrictions, and we need to make 0x2000 to 0x0. But where we need to make it 0x0? Okay, this is the main question. So now we will choose this search in current result. Here we will type set flags. Okay, now we will just here remove hex and make it smally, and just okay. Okay, now we will get here 9 result, and which is important in this thing, that is this important? No, for me this is not important. Okay, let's find out other thing. We find here this method and this method. Okay, so we saw here that this thing also, and this thing also. Okay, so here we will also see here that this layout utils. Okay, and what let's get into this and see what is responsible for it. Okay, and one main thing is this, that we can also see this thing. Okay, Android view window set flags, and if we find here window, then it is important. Okay, it is very important that it is the exact place where we are going to remove this screenshot restrictions, or we can find here 0x2000. Okay, so dig deeper into it. Okay, okay, now by the name we can also figure out this, that this is the exact place, and now we will see here our value which we need to edit. Okay, so just make it 0. Done, and save it. Just close it. Okay, compiling APK, and after compile we are going to install it. Okay, now we are going to install it. We will see is our modding successful or not. Okay, let's remove from this notification from above to check. Okay, now I opened again this, and boom, we are successful in screenshot saved, you can see here. Okay, so thanks guys, hope I will do second part in another video. I hope you liked it.